Hi guys, in this quick and easy tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how you can change buy button or add to cart button to an external affiliate link, for example, or any link. Okay, you can just make people, for example, like this. Okay, this is just an example I created a few seconds ago. I changed this buy button. I changed it to make this, as you can see. Now you can change this text to anything, and you can add any link you want. Okay, just watch this video till the end. I'm going to show you how you can do this. This is like a very easy tutorial. Okay, so first thing you need to do, guys, let me just delete this, and I'm going to show you how you can do it from scratch. Okay, I'm going to delete this. Okay, so like I said, first thing you need to do, guys, you want to log into your Shopify store. Okay, your Shopify dashboard. That's the first step. And after, guys, you are on your Shopify dashboard, you want to click on online store here in the left. Okay, and then you want to click on customize. All right, so now what you guys need to do next is you want to click on homepage in the top, and you want to select here products, and you want to click on default products. All right, now after you are on this page, what you guys need to do, you want to scroll down a little bit and click on buy buttons. And after that, you want to uncheck this box that says show dynamic checkout buttons. You want to uncheck it, just remove it. Okay, just toggle it off. Okay. All right, now after you toggle it off, make sure you click on save in the top right. Now, next thing you want to do, guys, is you want to click on add the block. Okay, in the, like I said, product information, you want to click on add a block, and you want to select custom liquid. So after that, you want to click on custom liquid, click on it, and here it will say, this box will say liquid code. Now you want to go to the description of this video, and I will leave the code there. Just click on the link and it will take you guys to this page. Now you just need to highlight all this code, just copy this code, okay? And you want to paste it here in this box and click on save, okay? All right, now first thing you need to do, guys, after you do this is, as you can see, I'm going to, I clicked on save now. Now what you guys need to do is you want to like hold and drag this like above buy buttons. Okay, you want to press on it and drag it. Okay, move it up. Okay, I'm going to put it here. I'm going to put it below buy button. As you can see, it's now below buy button. Now you can change this text, by the way, to any text you want. I'm going to show you how you can do that right now. Okay, so sorry, you want to click on custom liquid, which is where we have placed our code. You can also change the size of that. Okay, so for example, here your custom URL, here where it says your custom URL, you can add any link. Okay, for example, let's just say I want to promote an Amazon link or any video or anything. Just copy the link. I'm going to copy this link, for example, as you can see, but it's too long. Okay, I'm going to try to find a short link. I'm going to get here an Amazon affiliate link, okay, because it's shorter. That's what I'm going to do right now. I'm going to click on Amazon and I will try to get this link. I'm going to click on get link, short link, and this is the link. Okay, so I'm going to go back, and here where it says your custom URL, you just want to replace it with your custom URL. I'm going to replace it right now. Okay, I replaced it with an Amazon affiliate link. Okay, now the name that appears here, you can change this name. I named it now this. You can just remove this name and add something like view the link. As you can see, it will change the text. Okay, you can just add any text there. Okay, you can add any where it says view the link. I'm going to change it to, for example, don't buy please, or something like that. Okay, you can just add any text here. I'm going to click on save, and I'm going to check if this works or not. Now I'm going to go to the exact same product, and which product I have added. Okay, I'm going to try to find it. Okay, this product, yeah, it seems like this is the product where I have I'm going to check if it's, yeah, this product. For example, if I click on this, it will redirect me to If you click, for example, I'm going to find the product. It seems like this is like the, probably this is the product. No, it's not. Okay, so I'm going to search for it. Yep, this is the product. As you can see, like I said, you can move this anywhere. Just holding it and drag it anywhere you want on your product page, like I showed you guys. Now I'm going to click on this text, as you can see, and it will redirect me to a link, as you can see, which is the Amazon affiliate link I have added. Now, if there is anything you don't understand, let me know in the comments. I reply to every single comment. Just ask me in the comments any question you have, and I will reply to you guys within a few minutes. Make sure you drop a like on this video and ask me, guys, any question in the comments. And see you guys in the next video.